Alright, so sadly that was actually the end of our Japanese section. But to compensate for that, feel free to donate. Be sure to donate. Thank you guys so much. Right now we're gonna proceed to China. So I guess same vein, went to China. So let's have a shout out to everyone. Alright, so our first.
Actually, Michael, we win.
Just a little bit. Our first Chinese act is called tàijíjiàn, and it is a derivation of Tai Chi using a sword or jian. And in China, the jian is a double-edged metal blade that's not usually sharpened and can have a wooden or leather grip. Then either the blade or the hilt or both can be decorated, and Chinese jian always have a red tassel. And then in this following performance, you guys will actually see 32 different moves or postures, whereas a regular one may have